Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave everything down below. And in today's video, I'm just going to be doing another BoxyCharm PR haul for you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm this month, just keep on watching. Been here before, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you can get 5 full-size items for $25, and the value of the box is about $175 or more. You can upgrade to BoxyCharm Premium or Luxe with your BoxyCharm purchase of $25. So let's get right into it. So here is the box right here, and let's go through it. So this month is called BoxyCharm BTS. BoxyCharm BTS. That's what this month's theme of the box is. Here is the cool postcard that it came with. It looks like my desk right now. A fun mess of awesome products and stuff like that. Okay, so the first item I'm seeing is this huge Glam Glow Youthmud Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. I love masks. I love all kinds of masks. Glam Glow is an amazing product, I believe. But Youthmud Mask exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth appearance of fine lines and visible soften skin's texture. You always want smooth skin, so I will definitely be using this and tell you guys how it works. I like clay mask. This is a clay mask, and it will help get all this bad impurities out, and it's just going to be really great for your skin. And this retails for $60. The next item I got was this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Hydrate lips in highly pigmented lacquer, like with a sheen like velvety satin finish. I love Huda Beauty lipsticks. I have a couple of them, and this is another one I'm going to add to my collection. This is in the color Day Slayer. Here's the color here. I'll open it. And this is like a nudie pink color, so it's very beautiful. Here's the color here. I'll put it on over what I have on. I like nude colors too because they just go with everything. That looks really, really pretty on. I like that color a lot. Looks really, really pretty on. And this retails for $20, so right now we're at $80. The next thing we're looking at is the Georgette Clinger Marula Primer. That is right here. Blur imperfections to ensure an all-day radiant finish. Hydrating, long wearing. It cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, which is great for your face, ensuring silky smooth makeup application won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. Okay, that's really good for the skin. A good primer. You know, we always need a good primer for your face. And before you put on anything on your face, you always want to put something, because priming your face, it's just like whenever you're doing a painting. Pretend your face is a painting and you want to have a clean canvas face. I always say that. So that's what, when you put moisturizer, a primer, you're creating that barrier because you're protecting your face. That's what you want to do at the end of the day. But anyways, I'm rambling. This retails for $32. I can't wait to use it. And the Marula oil, I'm sure it smells really good too. That retails for $32. The next item I got was Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Lipstick Base. Oh, it's so cute. It looks like a little, that's adorable. It's a little boombox. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love, oh, this packaging is so cute. You guys hit it on the head with the base. Okay. Wow. Okay. Multi-use makeup sticks. Cream base. Multi-use makeup sticks that can be used on eyelids as eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow. It can also use at the bottom of the lash line, waterline. Oh, okay. So you can use these. Oh, they're pretty. This one is a kind of, see it there? Right, let me turn this light down. It's kind of too bright. It's right here. Wow, okay, alright. That's really pretty. And then this one you can use on your brow bones. Yeah, that's this one here. Very nice. And sometimes you do need these. Like, these will come in handy. Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and this retails for another $20. Last item I got, insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Release. Quick Slick Hair Release. Okay. Quick Slick Hair. Ooh, try to say that 5 times. Quick Slick. Shit, I can't say it. Quick Slick is designed so quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive skin, scalps, non-irritating. Oh, it's in a little plasticky package. So it's just to smooth away baby hairs, like, because it's so hot here in Florida that this will help with flyaways and stuff. This will be good to put in your purse too, because it's a great size. Wow, that's everything I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm super excited. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this base box and for gifting me these products so I could share with you guys. I love my subscribers. I will have a giveaway going on soon, as soon as I can put it together, in honor of my dad. My dad, like I said, he passed away, so this month has been a little bit hard, but I still want to get back in creating content for you guys, especially for the fall. Fall's the best time of the year. So that was everything I got. Again, follow BoxyCharm, and you can use my purchase code. I'll put it in the description box below if you guys want to purchase BoxyCharm. I do love BoxyCharm now, because when I first got it, I thought I was only getting skincare, but now I like it because I'm getting more makeup and skincare. And I also did buy the base box, so I will be getting that later. This is my PR box. I will be getting the base box later on. And this is Boxy BTS. So that's this month's BoxyCharm. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will also have all these products featured on TikTok for you guys. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Alice is falling these days, you guys. She needs to pick me up. So please just be kind to one another. And I also want to say something for the memorial of 9/11 this year. It's been 20 years since 9/11 happened, and keep all those families in your prayers and your thoughts. But again, just keep those families in your hearts and never forget them. Alright everybody, I will see you guys later for another one. You guys all take care. Bye everybody. Bye.